Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. And to this video today we will be painting a simple landscape with some poppies and a sunset. First, I am preparing my paints. I'm picking up some warm yellow, and also I will be picking up some brown. This is called a coffee brown from my cozy set, and I will start with pre-wetting the entire paper. For this painting I'm using a Clairefontaine watercolor paper. It is cold press 100% cotton, and it is 18 by 24 centimeters or 7 by 9.5 inches. I am starting with this brown color, and on the left side just painting in the sky, and I do want the darkest part of my sky to be on the left side, as you can see on a finished painting, and then adding a little bit more of that same paint in the lower part. And right now I have picked up some warm yellow and just making a circles with a lighter wash to create the impression of the sun in that part, and going outwards with my circles, mixing the paints with brown. And I do want a smoother transition, and that part around the sun to be the brightest, the lightest. So I'm adding a little bit more of the yellow, and I'm just repeating those steps until I'm happy with the colors and with the saturation of the colors in the sky. Afterwards, I have picked up some of the sepia brown. This is actually a darker brown, and then my coffee brown from my set in the upper part, adding that on top of those the sepia I've added. I do want the lower part of my painting to be the darkest, the coolest, and going near to the sun, the colors to be lighter and also warmer. So just a little bit of the black at the end, also on the corners of my painting. And after adding those, I have picked up this brush. This is a Lebanson paintbrush. I do love to use that one for detail painting, and it is something like a liner or a script brush. Very, very nice detail brush. And I'm adding some poppies, poppy buds. And as you can see, using for that, again, mix of brown and yellow, mix of brown and darker brown, black. And I do want to make them look like they are a little bit in the distance, not so in the focus. So just making some of those poppies a little bit lighter, some a little bit darker, especially those nearer to the sun are going to be a little bit lighter. And those on the left side a little bit darker. Some splatters with water just to create a little bit of the texture, as you can see on the finished painting. And now I decided to add a little bit more of the darker brown and black mix to the lower part, because I did want that part to be darker. As you know, watercolors, as they dry, they do tend to get lighter, so I did want to make that a little bit darker. And then I left it to dry completely, and when it was dry I painted a couple of more of the buds. This time the paper is not wet, it is completely dry, so there are no bleeds. Lines are harsher, and that's okay because these flowers are in focus and we don't want them to be blurred. Also adding a couple of poppy flowers, open poppies, just a few of them. Mostly I am painting buds, again using the same colors. This is just that lighter coffee brown, a little bit of the darker brown in it, and you can see I'm painting a very light wash. The buds and flowers that are in front of the sun are lighter, and those on the left side are a little bit darker. Just make sure you do that just to get the impression that those are a little bit in the shadow. Sun is not shining so much on those. And a couple of splatters with brown, and with that I'm done. So quite simple painting. I hope you like this one, you enjoyed this one. It's going to be a very nice and simple, easy practice. So guys, if you do like this video, please hit the like button, share it, and comment. If you haven't still, please do subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome, and I would really, really appreciate that a lot. and maybe consider joining my channel. There are something like 30 real-time tutorials there, so you might want to check it out. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope I'll see you next time. Bye!